Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make PBE account League of Legends 2024. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To create PBE Public Beta Environment account for League of Legends in 2024, you can follow these steps. Open a web browser and navigate to the PBE signup page. The URL might change, so it's best to search for League of Legends PBE signup to find the official signup page. If you already have a Riot account, log in using your credentials. If you don't have a Riot account, you'll need to create one, and we have this topic, link in the description below. Follow the instructions provided on the sign up page to create the Riot account. Make sure to use a valid email address. If access to PBE is available, follow the instructions on the sign up page to apply for PBE access. This may involve agreeing to certain terms and conditions or completing a registration form. Once your Riot account is set up and verified, check if PBE access is available. Sometimes, access to the PBE might be limited, and Riot games might have specific requirements or eligibility criteria for PBE accounts. After applying for PBE access, you might need to wait for approval from Riot games. Approval times can vary, so be patient. Once the PBE client is installed, launch it and log in using your Riot account credentials. By following these steps, you can create a PBE account for League of Legends and participate in testing upcoming content in 2024. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.